Hey there guys and gals, Barbie Figueroa here, and I thought I would do a little bit of a different video. Actually, I was kind of inspired by a video that I did a few years ago, and I've been through a lot of new experiences, and basically what I want to do is kind of like an updated version of the video, but I want to tweak a few things. So this video is for you if you, like me, have ever found yourself struggling with focus as you try to figure out how to make, like passive, recurring income online. Okay, so if you struggle with focus in, finally breaking through to earn passive recurring income online, this video is for you, because a lot of us have gone through this. What I know and what I've experienced anyway is a really huge problem. The big problem is that, first of all, there's 1,000,001 ways to make money online. There's literally 1,000,001 ways. I mean, there's like eBay, there's affiliate, there's MLM, there's, coaching, whatever. There's just 1,000,001 ways to make money online. And sometimes, in our pursuit of making passive recurring income, we just kind of we end up with things that either just we feel like they make us a lot of money, or we don't know how to tie everything together so that it actually makes sense. And this happened to me for a really long time, until I finally, aligned an income stream with this one thing that I'm going to share with you in a second. But here's the problem with most people. Okay, and myself included. So we come online and we're like, oh my gosh, I want to make money online. I want to make money online. So then, and I want to make multiple streams of income, because one income stream is not enough. So we have income stream number one, and we have income stream number two, and forgive me, I have terrible handwriting. So income stream number three, and let's say we have income stream number four, right? But here's where the problem comes. We have income stream number one, income stream number two, income stream number three, income stream number four, and in our mind, this is MSI, multiple streams of income. But in reality, we have like Bitcoin, and then we have like the water machine, because the Bitcoin, it makes sense, and the water machine, that one pays a lot. That one pays like a few thousand. And then we have let's say like an MLM discount club, right? Because everybody needs to save money on their groceries and all the things, right? And then we have, I don't know, we lost 50 pounds with a weight loss supplement. So now, and they have an affiliate program, or they have a recurring income program. So now we're kind of like doing the weight loss supplement too. So now we've got 4 different income streams. But here's the problem. None of them go together. They kind of just don't go together, right? But the problem is a little bit deeper than that, because since most of us have only really been taught one way to make income, instead of looking at each one of these as like a business, like let's say like a startup. A startup is basically its own business that you have to focus on so that you can get it off the ground and until it starts making money and all these things, right? We look at it as something else. We subconsciously, I think, we're looking at it as a job. Because what do we normally do when we need to make more money in the real world, being taught what we've been taught, is we need to get another job. So we got job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, and in our mind, this is income stream number 1, income stream number 2, income stream number, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we treat each of these income streams, it's kind of like a job. But the problem is, if you had 4 jobs, that you had to equally divide your focus on, we would just go crazy, right? I can't focus. I can't focus. So, what do we do? How do we make multiple streams of income the right way, where it makes sense? Where it makes sense. Okay. First of all, you know, when I broke through a few years ago and I became a top affiliate inside of an income program, there was a few things that just everything went right. Okay. And this is what these are the three basic components that you need inside of a business model, because you need an actual biz model. And an an MLM can have its own business model, as long as that income stream, or opportunity, I should say, has these three things, and that is cash flow, which equals money now. Okay? And then it's got tools and systems, whether, you know, promotional tools so that you can actually, you know, tell people about this thing. So tools, systems, etc. And recurring income. Okay? If you want to build a business that creates that time freedom we're looking for, it needs all three. It needs all three. Because if you do cash, just like a cash program, that it's like a one-off, right? What's going to happen is you're going to have to hustle. And you're going to have to like hustle all the time. Because you got to be making those, you know, whatever, $500 payments, or even, I mean, yeah, it's a big amount, but let's say it's a $500 program. You got to show up and you got to hustle $500 at a time, which is not terrible, right? Because you're making good money. But if you want to create that time freedom, there should be some recurring income component as well, right? But the problem is with a lot of like network marketing companies, or even just pursuing like a recurring income program, is the following. There's not enough cash flow in it. So let's say they pay you, I don't know, $80 when you sign someone up, and then $15 a month recurring. You would literally have to sponsor an entire village of people to make, you know, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month. So you need the cash flow now, and you also need that cash flow to somehow lead to recurring income, so that you make that money now and that cash flow, that recurring income. And then obviously you need tools and systems along the way to help you, you know, promote this stuff, especially if you're online, right? Because doing it online actually creates sort of a leverage, because you can have these systems that are still working for you even when you're not online. Just like this video, I make this video now, it'll sit on my YouTube channel, it'll keep on working for me, yada, 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 okay? But here's the problem. There's more, okay? Not only do you need the cash flow, the tool system, and the recurring income, but there's one thing that is missing, and that is the marketing skills. The marketing skills. Because even if you have the biz model, even if you have an awesome biz model, even if, let's say, your network marketing company or your affiliate opportunity has a cash flow component, you know, obviously it's a tool and a system to, if you're promoting like, you know, like an affiliate program, obviously they have tools and systems for you to promote that thing, and then eventually you go to recurring income. But if you don't know how to market, if you don't have marketing skills to promote the thing, then you're back to square one. And what's going to happen is, because we're in that job mentality, right? We're going to jump to the next thing. because we're not making money fast enough, because we don't know how to market, and we don't have enough cash flow or recurring income. We don't see it fast enough. So boom, we're off to the next thing, right? And so I want to help you bring a little bit more clarity to this situation. So how could we kind of tie all the things together so that we can make money now? We can promote tools and systems, or use tools and systems to promote our business and create that recurring income. How can we create that clear path to the recurring income? Because the recurring income is really what creates the time freedom. It's where you can, kind of God forbid, get sick or end up in a hospital. It's happened, and where if you can't show up to hustle, that recurring income keeps on coming in, which is why a lot of us are out here pursuing this recurring income. So let me show you a business model that makes sense and ties everything together. But this means that you're going to have to really seriously look at your business, and you might have to, keep some things and get rid of other things. Okay? So we need to connect what we're doing to a theme. Remember I told you that there was an ingredient that made me finally break through and have success, where I had the cash flow, I had the tools and the systems, and I had the recurring income. It's because I tied everything into a principal theme. Okay? And that principal theme tied my strengths, gifts, and talents so that I could focus long enough to see it through, and it also had cash flow, tools and systems, because it was actually a tool and a system that I was promoting that created the recurring income. Okay? This is like operating in God's economy instead of, the world or the job economy. Why? Because we're using our strengths, gifts, and talents plus this cash flow model to serve others. To serve others. And that's how you make money in God's economy. You use your strengths, gifts, talents to serve others, right? Now, you might have an income opportunity right now that you're super passionate about, and you are serving people at a high level, and that's awesome. So then this might not be the video for you. But if you struggle with focus and how to align these things, then I'm going to give you kind of like a quick little, kind of like a preview of what you can do. Okay, so let's say that out of the Bitcoin, out of the water machine, out of the supplements, out of all the stuff, there's a common thread between all those things. There's a common thread. And maybe it's that you love health and wellness, because your story is that you lost 50 pounds with a particular weight loss supplement. Okay? Weight loss supplement that happens to be an MLM. Okay? And your frustration with the diet industry, this made you really mad. Because there's so much confusion. That led you to want to, serve others with your experience and share your story and teach other people how to lose weight, right? And so yeah. So now, how do we connect income streams that serve this principal theme of health and wellness? That your story is that you lost 50 pounds. You're kind of like a little bit, angry at the diet industry that creates so much confusion, because that's what kept you from losing the weight all this time. And then how do you connect your income streams to that? So we have health and wellness. So you need that cash flow, remember? You need a cash flow. If your network marketing company has that cash flow on the front end, then I would highly encourage you to just go with that full throttle and just get rid of the things that don't match. That way you can stay focused if they pay you enough on the front end. If not, you might want to add something like cash flow in the amount of $7 to $9.97, and that could be in the form of an ebook, creating a little masterclass, something like that. Okay, and that'll put a little bit of money in your pocket as you build your recurring income stream, because that takes a little more time. Not everyone wants to sign up right away. Okay, this is recurring. Okay, and then tools and systems. Well, you know, tools and systems can be seen as two things. You need tools and systems to promote your health and wellness thing, but you can also promote tools and systems to your customers so that you can put some more money in your pocket in the way like of affiliate income. That's where your passive income is going to come from. So maybe you want to become an Amazon affiliate for like, you know, like a blender. You want to recommend recipe books or something like that on Amazon. And that brings a little extra money, right? So now you're making money from the cash. You're making money from the affiliate stuff. And then, you know, people are going to want to either sign up for your MLM or your recurring income program, or it could be your own monthly coaching program, whatever, but it's recurring income. And then now everything ties together. There is one principal theme, one principal focus, okay, that takes you from cash flow to tools to recurring income, and you need them both. If you only have cash flow, you're not going to catch a break. If you only have recurring income, you might not have enough cash flow to see you through. So you need both. And on top of that, you need the marketing skills to help you put all this stuff out there so that you can go from clarity to cash. Now, I have a masterclass that I created where I share all of this and I dive a lot deeper into this. And if you want to check it out, all you have to do is go to claritytocash.com. And in there, I actually have some blueprints. I have a whole, you know, 2-part masterclass that's going to show you how to get clear first. Get clear. I'm going to dive deeper into what I just shared with you, but we're going to get clear. And then I'm going to show you how to get to the cash. Because doing this is how I was able to finally break through, because before that, I was just kind of like all over the place, chasing whatever made me the most money, and there was no rhyme or reason to what I was doing. And so I want to help you focus and use the gifts, strengths, talents that God already put in you so you can go from clarity to cash. Okay? So if you think something like this would help you, then go ahead and register for my masterclass right now at claritytocash.com. And if this video helped you, please go ahead and thumb it up. Leave me your comments right below and let me know. I don't know. Am I the only one that struggles with this? I think a lot of people struggle with this after working with a lot of people in the online space, in you know, like me having a background in like personal branding and building an affiliate team and sponsoring over 700 people. I kind of been able to see like where people struggle. So if this is your struggle, then Clarity to Cash will probably help you. Okay? So if this video helped you, again, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I might post this on my Facebook because hopefully it'll help a lot of people. So if you feel like this is something that you need to get clear on, and you're trying to create that passive recurring income, and you need to figure out what your pathway, your most makes sense pathway to that is, go to claritytocash.com, register for my masterclass, and I will see you on another video. Bye for now. Bye.